Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy, and quick. Today is a request. So I am doing this, but I'm doing it my style. Chicken liver is not everybody's favorite, but sometimes the way something is prepared can change your mind. So if you're one of those people, try this recipe. You might like it. Olive oil, onions, and I'm going to slice a red pepper. I'm going to fry the onions for a minute or so and add the peppers. And of course, some chili. So I've got some fresh liver here, chicken liver. If you find any fat or like some clotted blood, just remove it. Spices: coriander powder, cumin powder, 7 spice, black pepper, salt, sliced tomatoes, coriander, and finish it with a squeeze of lemon. And now, my favorite part, tasting. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Enjoy.